Spencer, and today we're going to make a red cabbage pH indicator, which will separate, it'll indicate which is an acid and which is a base.
Okay, and how are you going to make your red cabbage indicator, Spencer?
Well, we need a red cabbage and half a gallon of water, strainer. We also need a smaller one, 2 pots, a slotted spoon, a shredder, a knife for cutting the red cabbage, coffee filters for some use later, and a cutting board.
Okay, so let's work on step 1. What is step 1?
We need to cut the red cabbage into fourths. Sorry. How do you cut this thing?
Okay, why don't you ask for help?
Can I have help?
Of course. So what are you doing?
I'm cutting it into fourths, and we need to cut it in half, then turn it so it looks like this, and cut it the other way. There we go. Now for the bigger part. Let's just set these aside. Set that aside because this is bigger.
Okay. Whoa, 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 be careful. Okay.
And there's a tip.
Hold on. You're good. You're good. Be careful. Set the knife down. And then,
that's what it looks like when it's in fourths.
okay. What's our next step?
Well, we need to shred it so it's like,
Small.
we need to shred all the purple leaves.
Okay. Now,
Which we're gonna take a pot, and we're gonna need another pot. Take a shredder and
okay. I'm gonna.
how do I shred?
Careful. Keep going.
Well, that came off.
That's all right. No, don't do it like that, honey. We'll take this out. We'll
This might take a while. Finished grating our cabbage, and this is what it looks like. Now, what we need to do is pour half a gallon of water into this. And we just got this thing right now.
use the handle on the jug too to help.
That's why you don't do it.
Okay, hold on.
Half a gallon. Alright, that's half a gallon. Or more like it.
End it. Go a little bit more.
Alright.
End it. Okay. Spencer, what are you doing now?
Now we need to set this to a boil. And
Okay.
when we set it to a boil, we need to have it simmer for 10 minutes and keep stirring it throughout the whole thing. Oh.
And then down, down, down.
There? Yep. Well, if you can see here, the colorization of the water has turned purple. That's what the finished product is gonna look like. It's gonna look purple.
And what's going on with the cabbage?
Oh, I don't know exactly, but it's turning whiter.
About how much longer do you think we have?
I don't know, probably right now.
No, we got about 10 more minutes to go.
Oh yeah, 10 more minutes because it's boiling. If you can't see here, everything's coming up.
Okay.
And it looks like a volcano.
Keep
Alright.
stirring.
Can we set it to simmer, please?
Yep. Okay.
Since this spoon is steaming now, I'm going to set it aside.
Okay.
Alright. Now what we're going to do is we're going to scoop all this purple stuff. You might want to push it down, so I'm going to take this in. Push it. Look at how much whiter this is from this. It's just because all of the chemicals in here have strained into the water. Now, where's my strainer? So I can push it some more. Right. Scoop that out. Keep scooping up more and more because we don't need this.
You're not going to push the water out?
Oh. I forget. Now I've strained enough out so there's just those little bits that I don't need.
Would you like your lab assistant to help?
Yeah, I got it.
Slowly, slowly.
So now what we're going to do is strain it out through here.
Keep pouring, keep pouring, keep pouring.
Oh! Guess that's it. Now.
Wait.
Now we have to wait for it to cool so we can strain it through our coffee filters. And when we strain it through our coffee filters, it will make litmus paper, which we can also indicate what's an acid and a base. You just need to cut it up into papers, which I think you can use this instead of all this. I don't know exactly. Alright, now what we're going to do finally is take our coffee filter, and since we don't have anything otherwise to put it into, we're going to put it in here and take this purple liquid and slowly pour it into here so that it'll also make litmus paper and it strains out all the chemicals.
No, it strains out.
Oh, it strains out
the rest of the
red
cabbage.
Okay. Actually. But
Okay.
we're going to take multiple ones.
Okay, so put your one at a time.
One at a time.
One at a time.
I'll lay it out.
Okay, no, just one at a time. Okay, now, come here.
We had to use multiple though.
We will.
It's creating litmus paper right now as it soaks. See how it's turning purple? That's the indicator. Right now we're extracting chemicals.
We're extracting our pH indicator.
Yep. I thought we were going to use another one.
We will in a minute.
I want to make more litmus paper.
We will. We have a lot of, we've got a half a gallon of this stuff to strain.
Close-ups. It's soaking into the coffee filter, which we're only going to need the part that it's soaked into. There's our pH indicator. It might take a while.
You go ahead and hit record button.
Okay, so after we let it soak, it's going to look like this.